Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use blusher as a bronzer really, and this will work for everyone regardless of your skin type or tone. But generally speaking, if you have very fair skin, the ultra fair skin, then a pink or a pale pink or a petal pink, this is going to work best. If you have light to medium tan skin, then something like a fuchsia or an azalea is going to work. And then when you're moving up to the more deeper skin tones, fuchsia, azalea could work, bright red, a brick red like NARS Exhibit A, or even a burnt orange will work beautiful. Now, even though this is just makeup, I tend to think that this look works best when paired with mascara and lip gloss. No heavy eye makeup. Of course you can do what you want, it's just makeup, but no heavy eye makeup because it just tends to take away from the innocence of this look. So all I've got on my face is a bit of powder. This is the Laura Geller Balance and Brighten, and this is in Fair. So I'm just going to put on a little bit more. To be honest with you, Fair is a little bit dark for my skin, but the lightest one, Porcelain, is just too pale and shimmery and pink. So we're going to use one of my brushes because it would just be, you know, I mean, look at it. Look at that. How pretty is that? So we're going to use this one. Now this seems like a really good one. And I'm also going to be using this shade here, which is a bright fuchsia. Now this is the color that I'm going to be using. And this is actually one of the samples from my blusher. Don't know if it's going to make it yet, but we're going to be using it anyway. So the principle behind this, it's really about innocence and beauty on the skin. It's such a heavenly look. So we want to apply blusher across the cheeks, across the bridge of the nose, all the way along here. You want to apply a touch to the chin, and you want to then feather it very lightly all throughout this top area of the hairline. And that's what's going to give it this beautiful effect. So I'm just going to swirl it around, and that's way too much product. So I'm going to knock it off because we do want to be a little bit gentle with this. So because the mirror is so far away, we're just going to hope that this turns out. So I'm going to apply a touch to the nose, and then I'm just sweeping it in this kind of sweeping motion. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And if it's too harsh, then I'm going to blend it in. And think about flicking it like that. So you're going up and out. And then you want to take it and you want to start really high up here at the hairline, just buffing in a little bit of this pink. And when you combine this with mascara and lip gloss, it looks so beautiful and healthy because there's just something very innocent about this makeup look, which I really like. I love that kind of look, this sort of naughty sort of look. I think it's very beautiful. So let's have a look. So again, I'm winging it because of how far away I am, that it's difficult for me to judge. So I'm going to see if I can get a mirror. Okay, so there's a mirror-ish. So how strong you want to go on this is really entirely up to you. So we could leave it like this, but I think we'll take it just a little bit farther. And then I think we'll blend it in. But bear in mind, if you're not using a powder foundation, then you are going to need to be really careful with it. Because with a powder one, we go back over the skin. And really think about doing this arc motion here. And don't be afraid with this product to come all the way in here. Don't be frightened about taking it in. There's nothing wrong with it. It's going to give you that really kind of this beautiful sort of glow around this area. So don't worry about it. And then if you don't have a beard, just add a touch to the chin as well. So I'm just going to blend this in a little bit. Now if you want the skin to glow a little bit more, get a highlighter. So I'm going to finish this off with a bit of a, and I'll put something on my, to darken my lashes and everything so you can kind of see. I'm going to use this one which is called Broadway, and this is by Artist Couture. So it's a pink blusher. So it's kind of staying in tune, a pink highlighter, I'm so sorry. So it's kind of staying in tune with what we just spoke about. And I'm just going to really lightly kind of just cup that just a little bit, just to bring a wee bit of a glow to the skin. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of, I curl my lashes and just put a bit of sort of black eyeliner on them, just to darken them. So can you see? I hope you can see. So all I've got now on the skin is some black eyeliner that I sort of scribbled onto the lashes, and the darkness of the lashes kind of creates this really beautiful effect. And to me, at least from where I'm standing or sitting and looking in the mirror, it looks like I've been outside. It looks like I've caught the sun, but it's this halo effect here. And then all you need to do is put something on your lips that's going to give it a little bit of a shine or anything that you want. And you really complete this look. Now I know it was really simplistic, but give it a go, because I promise you it is such a pretty look. And it's one of those things you can just apply your foundation and you go around in this sort of motion, around and touch. And then you just curl your lashes, apply mascara, and it's girly, it's sweet, it's princessy, and I think that is so pretty. And it also makes such a nice change to just see something like this, where it's a bit fresh, it's a bit beautiful, without there really looking like there's lots going on. You look a bit flushed, a bit like you've got a secret, and I think that is one of the sexiest looks. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. All the information down there. Bye bye.